Google Analytics reports. Here's an in-depth step-by-step guide for beginners on how to navigate and understand Google Analytics reports. Step 1. Accessing Google Analytics reports. 1. Sign in to your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. 2. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Analytics dashboard. Step 2. Navigating the reports. 1. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main menu with reporting sections: real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. 2. Click on any section to access related reports and data. Step 3. Understanding key reports. A. Audience reports. 1. Click on Audience in the main menu. 2. Explore subsections like Overview, Demographics, Interests, Geo, Behavior, Technology, and Mobile to understand your audience's characteristics, behavior, and devices. B. Acquisition reports. 1. Click on Acquisition to analyze how users find your website. 2. Explore sources of traffic, including organic search, direct, referral, social, and paid search. C. Behavior reports. 1. Click on Behavior to understand user interactions on your site. 2. Check out subsections like Overview, Site Content, Site Speed, and Events to analyze page performance and user engagement. D. Conversions reports. 1. Click on Conversions to measure the success of your website's goals. 2. Explore subsections like Goals and ecommerce to track specific conversions and revenue. Step 4. Customizing reports. 1. Most reports allow you to customize date ranges to view data for specific periods. 2. Use the Segments option to filter data based on specific user segments, e.g., new users, mobile users. Step 5. Interpreting key metrics. A. Sessions. Sessions represent individual visits to your website. Each time a user visits, it's counted as a session. A single user can have multiple sessions. B. Users. Users are unique individuals who visit your website. This metric gives you an estimate of your website's total audience. C. Page views. Page views count the total number of pages viewed across all sessions. D. Bounce rate. Bounce rate measures the percentage of single-page sessions. A high bounce rate might indicate users aren't engaging with your site. E. AVG. Session duration. This metric shows the average time users spend on your site per session. F. Conversion rate. In the Conversions section, you can track conversion rates for specific goals you've set up. Step 6. Using secondary dimensions. 1. Many reports allow you to add a secondary dimension for deeper insights. 2. For example, in the Audience Overview report, you can add a secondary dimension like source, medium to see how different traffic sources perform among different audience segments. Step 7. Setting goals. 1. Navigate to the Admin section, gear icon, at the bottom left. 2. Under View, select Goals, and create specific goals to track user actions like form submissions, sign-ups, or downloads. Step 8. Creating custom reports. 1. In the Customization section, you can create custom reports to analyze specific data points. 2. Click Custom Reports, and define metrics and dimensions based on your requirements. Step 9. Exporting and sharing reports. 1. Reports can be exported as PDFs, Google Sheets, or other formats for sharing and further analysis. 2. Use the Share button to send a direct link to a specific report to others. Step 10. Regular analysis and optimization. 1. Regularly analyze your reports to identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement. 2. Use insights to optimize your website, marketing campaigns, and user experience. Step 11. Learning resources. 1. Utilize Google's Analytics Academy for free courses and tutorials on using Google Analytics effectively. By following this step-by-step guide, Beginners can navigate and utilize Google Analytics reports to gain valuable insights into their website's performance, audience behavior, and conversion rates. Understanding key metrics and features will help you make informed decisions to enhance your online presence and achieve your business objectives.